In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot CRM for sales. We'll start right at the beginning. Log into your HubSpot account and make sure you're in the correct portal for your team. The first thing you'll want to do is set up your contacts, because everything in your sales process will connect back to the people and companies you're working with. From the main navigation, go to CRM, then select Contacts. Here you can add a single contact manually if you're just getting started, but if you already have a list, importing a CSV file will save you time. Before you import, tidy your spreadsheet. Include clear headers like first name, last name, email, phone, and company. Emails are especially helpful because HubSpot can use them to deduplicate records. During the import, map each column to a matching HubSpot property, review the preview, and confirm. Once your contacts are in, you can filter them, create simple lists, and view individual timelines to understand every interaction. Next, let's look at the Deals feature under the CRM tab. Deals is a paid feature, and it's where you track potential revenue. Create a new deal, give it a descriptive name, select the appropriate pipeline and stage, and set an amount and close date. Be sure to associate the deal with the relevant contact and company so all emails, notes, and meetings roll up into one view. If you're using a board view, you can drag deals from stage to stage as they progress, which gives your team a clear snapshot of what's likely to close and when. Now head over to the Content tab. This is where you can create websites or landing pages to support your sales efforts. Choose a template that fits your brand, add your copy and images, and make the page easy to scan. Keep your call to action clear. What do you want visitors to do next? Preview your page, check it on mobile, and publish when you're ready. Finally, go to Automation and select Workflows, another paid feature to set up automations. Workflows help you scale repetitive tasks. Choose your enrollment triggers, such as a new contact being created or a deal moving to a certain stage. Then add actions like sending a follow-up email, creating a task for a salesperson, or updating a property. Test your workflow with a sample record to make sure it behaves as expected before turning it on. That's the core flow. Get your contacts in, track opportunities with deals, support them with pages, and tie it together with automation. Save your work as you go, and you'll be set up for sales success in HubSpot.